Hey guys, welcome back to the Mellick Farms Media channel. This is Bree, and this is a day in my life, or a weekend in my life, if you will. So, thanks for watching everybody, and enjoy the video. So first, we are at the farm. Usually I come over for a whole weekend from my mom's house to the farm, but I wasn't able to come last weekend, and I could only come Sunday this weekend. Oh my god, Penny's so big. Hi, Penny. Holy. Who are you? Oh, Nugget, how'd you get out?
She just did that somehow. She was literally just in there.
Walking around trying to find Peggy's baby because it's missing. Yeah, we still never found it. No idea where it went. Peggy, where's your baby? Peggy is very mad. Something is digging a tunnel inside my fence. Well, that explains it. Time to get the water tank truck for the ducks. Nugget. Why are you drinking out of a puddle? Like, bruh. Why are you drinking out of puddles, guys? I left it that way. Penny and Shiloh have a full bottle of water and are both drinking out of the puddle. No, Penny and Nugget. Sorry, Nugget has the beak. That is like that. I can't see him. He's being blocked. Nugget has crisscross beak. And here you can see the aftermath of the fire. He kind of just built the fence around it. Hi, Gizmo. Hi, King. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would also go to my TikTok channel. It's Mellick Farms. And go to my bio and please click on my GoFundMe link if you'd like to know the whole story about how my barn burnt down. I'd really appreciate it if you could just give it a share. Thank you. So that was us going to the reservoir just to spend some time together for the end of our weekend, which actually ended on Monday. The last thing I did was give all our new baby chicks and ducklings a clean bin. And now it's time for bed. Good night, guys. So yeah, this was my very first voiceover ever, guys, so I hope I didn't do too bad, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment.